Growing vegetables at home is easy, fun, and nutritious. But weeds can rob your cultivated crops of water, nutrients, and the space they need to grow. They can also encourage insect pests and disease. Hi, I'm Chris Holliday. I'd like to share some tips to help you enjoy a weed-free home vegetable garden. This is Preen Vegetable Garden Weed Preventer. The active ingredient is corn gluten, a byproduct of corn milling. Corn gluten has properties that prevent weed seeds from sprouting. One application can keep your vegetable garden weed-free for 4 weeks. Preen Veggie doesn't kill weeds, it prevents new weeds. So step 1 is to kill or remove the existing weeds in your vegetable garden. Methods to kill weeds can range from pouring boiling water on weeds to highly concentrated vinegar to kill weeds. Others recommend salt as an effective weed killer. But it's important to use caution when deciding on the best approach. The vinegar necessary to kill mature weeds isn't kitchen vinegar, it's concentrated acetic acid. It must be handled with care, and remember, it can also affect the pH balance of the soil. As for salt, ancient armies sowed salt into the soil to devastate their enemies. Salt will kill any plant in the garden. It persists in the soil and can leach into groundwater. So what's the surest way to deal with existing weeds? We suggest you remove them manually. Some weeds can be pulled by hand, others need to be dug out with tools. In all cases, it's important to get the roots. Of course, working the soil brings dormant weed seeds to the surface where they can sprout and grow in the sunlight. That's where Preen's Vegetable Garden Weed Preventer comes in. After your garden is free of existing weeds, it's time to stop future weeds. Simply open Preen Veggie's flip-top applicator and sprinkle the corn gluten granules over the soil or mulch. Water in the application, and you're done. That's how easy it is to enjoy a weed-free vegetable garden. You can reapply Preen anytime, right up to the day of harvest. Here are a few other things to remember. If you plant your garden from seed, wait until the young plants are 2 to 3 inches high with true leaves before applying Preen Veggie. You can also use it after transplanting or setting out pre-started plants. Sprinkle it on the soil surface, but keep it out of planting holes. Soil that's been well amended with compost is the best sort of rich soil for growing vegetables. It's also the environment in which Preen Vegetable Garden Weed Preventer works best. As with any garden product, it's important to read the product label and follow instructions. You can find Preen labels and lots more easy care gardening information on www.preen.com. While you're there, sign up for Preen's email, Garden and Landscape Tips, for timely updates and ideas on gardening and outdoor living. For Preen, I'm Chris Holliday. Happy gardening.